chicken, onions, garlic, adobo powder, and we have curry sauce. So first we're going to heat the pan, and then we're gonna put in these, and then after we're gonna put in the chicken, the curry sauce, and the adobo.
Let's go.
Let's go.